Today we're going to divide a Cymbidium orchid in two. It is best to do this during the spring or summer when the plant is actively in its growing season. This has lots of lovely new roots and leaves growing now. We divide it down the centre, making two equally sized plants, cutting through the rhizome that connects the two halves together. We now have two good sized plants ready to be tidied up and repotted. You can strip off any old dead bracts around the old bulbs and discard them, as well as trimming back dead leaves and giving the plant a general tidy. We trim back old roots and clean out the old compost, making a nice root ball. Choose a larger pot with enough room to grow for another 2 to 3 years. Add some crocks in the base for some extra drainage. Start with a handful of chipped bark and then position the plant in the pot with the new shoot ready to sit on the surface of the compost. Fill in with handfuls of bark and firm it down using your thumbs to make it nice and firm and enable the plant to root in well. Water well after repotting and repeat with the second plant, and now you have two from your one. Happy orchid growing.